The other one here. Like that. There you go. Don't push that. Don't push that yet. You don't need to push that now. It's good. We're good. Just hold it. Hold the rod. Hold the rod. There you go. Just wait for the fish. You got to don't move now. You got to be very still because the fish know. They're smart. They're very smart. So you have to be very patient, very quiet. Just enjoy the scenery. Like the wind. Doesn't the wind feel good? Not yet. Let's wait and see if we can get any fish. See the bait. Still there. Okay, now push the button. Let it back down. Okay, now crank it. Crank it. Take the slack out. See that's got slack. Crank it until that gets straight. A little more. Okay, that's good. Oh, the fish is biting. Look at it. You see that?
What is that?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Roll it. Roll it. Let's see.
Is there a fish?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
come on.
You catch
Reel,
fish?
reel it up.
Reel it.
Let the other one.
Reel it. Good
Feel that
job.
fish on there?
All right.
All right.
All right, Van. You catch fish.
Come here, man. Hold your rod. Come
Okay,
over here.
go.
Let Mommy take a picture. Come on. Hold both hands. Both hands. Up here. Up here. There you go. There's your fish.
There's your fish.
Okay, look at that. You did a good job, man.
Hold on, let me take it.
It's first fish.
Wow. That didn't take long.
You'll get that. You'll get your turn. Yeah.
Well, why do you like that?
He wants to go back in the water.
Why don't you want to do that?
You can touch it. Those are sharp, though, so don't touch his eyes.
Why?
Okay, I'm going to put him back in the water, okay, so he can get bigger.
Yeah.
Okay?
No,
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he's sharp. He's sharp. Gonna get this hook out of his mouth.
Could I keep another?
Say bye, fish.
Bye, fish.
Okay, there you go.
He wants to go back in the water.
Why don't you want to do that?
You can touch it. Those are sharp, though, so don't touch his eyes.
Why?
Okay, I'm going to put him back in the water, okay, so he can get bigger.
Yeah.
Okay?
No,
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he's sharp. He's sharp. Gonna get this hook out of his mouth.
Could I keep another?
Say bye, fish.
Bye, fish.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, Nana.
Man, fist bump.
Yay!
All right. You want to do it again?
Is it so like living on an island?
All right, man, the fisherman. Let's go. Yeah, let's see. You know what I do? Let me tell you what I do.
What I do?
First of all, stand straight like this. Okay, put your hand, one hand up here, hold that, and that one like that. There you go. Now push the button. Okay, now crank it back a little bit. A little more. Okay, there's a fish on there now.
The fish on here is ready.
Fishing with Grandad. We are here at the